Alright. Now, welcome back. This time, I put a lot of emphasis on big blades, but what we haven't done yet is small blades. Now this is going to be a little different. We've got the Niv all around in stainless and the cold steel Finhawk. Now I want to point out I've actually modified these to have 90-degree spines for striking a ferro rod. If you're wondering how are we going to do the first test, chopping, because you should know by now, and the dogs might be around for a bit, how are we going to do that? Well, my sweet summer children, would you like to find out? I knew you would. I knew you would, because you're smart and you want to learn. What we're going to do is a little cross batoning. This is a cold steel tomahawk handle. I don't know how many I'm going to do, but not bad. Not bad. Yeah, I'm a little more comfortable throwing these since they're so small. Now for the Niv. Oh, I think that actually fit in a bit better. Not bad at all. I don't really like doing that because I feel like I'm going to mess up the tomahawk handle, and my usual baton is way too big. Like, remember the Captain Caveman Club? Yeah. What we're actually going to do, we're still going to do a little swinging with a knife. On what? Rose of Sharon. Now, I actually kind of like this because it's very useful. I can just use it willy-nilly. What? It's like a Japanese chef. I wish you could know how fun that was. Now, since both of these have a Scandinavian grind, hence the title Scandi Skirmish, I have a pre-prepared piece. Hi, Nix. We're going to do some feather sticking. Now they say Scandi's grinds are great for feather sticking. I don't usually have as great of luck with them, but this video might be a little shorter because it's cold, hence the thick shirt. And I'm just like Shere Khan. I love this shirt. Throw it back to feather sticking. This thing is doing very well. I don't have my fire steel with me, so. And again, the links are going to be in the description down below. Okay, that's a bit better. If I did batoning with these, like to split, I feel like the Finhawk would win. We're going to try that later. We might try that. I can't really tell which did better. Now we're going to do the batoning, and I'm actually going to use the tomahawk handle again. Yeah, we're hitting a knot here. I need the bigger baton. Ow. Smack my wrist. This cold is getting to me. Yeah, it's actually pretty cold here. It's like 38 degrees. And I hate the cold. So I'm doing this for you guys. I'm doing this for you guys, my viewers here. This one shouldn't have any knots, so we're gonna go back to tomahawk handle. Yeah, okay. No knots, that did much better. I'm just doing that to clean it off. Nixon, get away from that knife. Nixon, get away from that knife. I'll toss a stick for him. He was right by one of the knives, and I don't want him to get hurt. That's the problem with having your dog co-star in your videos. This might actually be a shorter video, but I'm gonna try some straight down batoning. That bit in pretty deep. So if you had to baton, so if you really had to bust up a larger piece of soft wood with this, might have to do. You can probably tell I'm actually favoring the fin hawk quite a bit. You've probably seen my videos. You've probably seen my video on them, and this is not getting anywhere, so I'm not even gonna bother. I'm lazy. Oops. You've probably seen my videos on them, so you know they're both excellent Scandis. Blade shape is something I want to talk about. We've got the classic Moraniv shape, and this one's more like an actual Scandinavian style. Like they both feel great in the hand. You know, we might try a little chopping. That's why you don't do that, but we're gonna try that again. A bit more of a sturdy grip. Now this ain't a chopping knife, so yeah. That was good. We're gonna do a little. So if you had to just do that, like if you were cutting up stuff about that size like this, Finhawk could definitely do it. I'm gonna try the Moran. Oops, that was a little too short, so we're gonna try a longer one so I actually get a better grip. I might come back to these videos better dressed from now on, because I feel better doing this. I feel like less of a bum. Okay, yeah, in terms of the light chopping, the Finhawk is gonna take it's a little thicker, a little heavier, a little bit of a wider blade, so yeah. Though, honestly, for the spine of the blade, I actually like the Moraniv better, because it looks like a slight clip point, like a Bowie knife. If you see my videos, you know I like Bowie knives. That was just fun right there. I'm not going to be doing heavy throwing with these suckers. What we are going to do, though, is something I didn't do in my videos yet. We're going to see how well it's going to shave a bit. This might be a bit too wide, but for what it is, that's Scandi. We're going to do some thicker batoning with the Finhawk, because it wasn't very fair. Not bad at all. That was just fun, sorry. If you could guess that rhythm. I'm just having too much fun with this. I feel like one of those Japanese chefs. And watch their cutting videos, it's amazing. Don't try it at home though. Those guys are professionals. If I did a lot of the stuff they did, I would probably get severely hurt and have to go to the hospital. Okay, yeah. Rose of Sharon is actually much more difficult for that due to how soft it is. Okay, before I get the closing statement, the sheaths. I actually broke the belt loop off this sheath because it was off the Mora sheath because it was useless, and I decided to paint it tiger stripes. Finhawk just has masking tape over it. I kind of like it because it's like a lighter leonine color. Both are going to be plastic, but the Mora sheath had the worst belt loop, but it has one advantage. See that little nut? See that little nub? Much easier. The Finhawk does not have that. You have to give it some oomph. It's not going to be very helpful when if it's on your belt and you got to do that yarn. That's not helpful. I'm waiting on the Mora Bushcraft knife, and we're going to put that against the Finhawk when it comes. So, closing statement. The prices are going to be a little different. The Finhawk's going to be in the $20 range. The all-rounder was about $13, but I would say you should buy both. They're both awesome. Any Mora Niv would definitely be worth the money and what little money you're spending. My personal recommendations for Mora Niv as of right now are, well, the one I can recommend the most is the Eldris, the little neck knife, which I'm not wearing right now. But as I said, with these two, I say just buy them both. Links will be in the description. Thanks for watching.